show has been canceled. It's not coming back. Don't tell me to breathe easy. Don't tell me it'll be fine. 'Cause we have rearranged the pieces. We're running blind. So pour me another glass and sing to me real slow. 'Cause I need more than just the Holy Ghost. Pour me another round. This time don't ever stop. 'Cause I need more of what you've got. When this whole ride is over, when the worst of it is done, what the hell will we return to? What will we become? In the sharp blink of an eye, in a subtle twist of fate, we were dealt a faulty death before we could even play. So pour me another glass and sing to me real slow. 'Cause I need more than just the Holy Ghost. Pour me another round. This time don't ever stop. 'Cause I need more of what you've got. What you got. I'm not overreacting. This ain't just a blip on the map. The show